Pulling the dust from your woodworking tools is easy. That's usually a vacuum's job. But to take the dust out of the air usually calls for a fairly expensive whole room conditioner and also some fairly expensive filters. I'm Jim Hebe from Wood Magazine. Let me show you how an inexpensive box fan, a couple of filters, and these pretty cool brackets can do the same thing. To make the brackets, I started by dado-ing a couple of grooves in a piece of scrap. I make the scrap long enough to cut 4 blocks out of it. I make a clip for the top of each one of the brackets. Applying glue to one edge of the bracket, I just press the clip into place. Holding it for a minute will allow the glue to set. Now using screws, I attach the rectangular rare earth magnets to the brackets. Now, starting with a 20-inch box fan and a couple of 20 by 20 filters, the air is blowing this way, so we're dragging it through the filter. I'll just line these up and use my brackets to hold them here, and here, here, and finally here. Great way to clip them in, easy way to ultimately remove them when the time comes to change those filters. Now with the fan running, the air is pulled through this side and exhaust through the other side clean. Now you didn't spend a lot of money on this, so maybe you want to think about using an aftermarket remote control. This plugs into the fan and allows you to turn this on any place in the shop. This is a great solution for the more expensive systems, and it does exactly the same thing. And now you can take a breath of fresh, clean air.